Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse and I am here with my Saturday morning makes. Today is National Scrapbooking Day, also hashtag yellow in April, and now the new hashtag by Anna White, blooms in May. And crafters, yes, I am still exploring yellow and April is over, but I'm still playing with yellow, so I guess I'm going back and forward. And you'll see a lot of blooms because that I was naturally doing anyway, like pulling out all of my floral dyes and just like, okay, I need to play with you and play with you, play with you. Don't have enough time in the day, but I still want to play with you. So anyway, let's get started. Okay, crafters. With National Scrapbook Day, check your favorite stores, including scrapbook.com. They have an additional 5% off and some freebies. Also, what I wanted to mention, Cat Scrappiness is having 15% off site-wide with the code LOVEMOMS, and that sale goes from May 6 to May 9 site-wide, and she carries more than just her products, okay? So if you've been wanting to get the Cat Scrappiness tags or some of her slimline dies, which are already marked down, or maybe some of those Ukrainian shaker card kits, the shaker kits, some of them are on sale, $2.99, and then some are $3.99, then add the additional 15%. Yeah. Also in Cat Store, you can use PayPal, Pay in 4, and Afterpay. So either one. Stretch out your payments, every 2 weeks. Alrighty, crafters. Let's look at what I made for my mother for Mother's Day so far, because I'm still working on something today. 2 cards so far. Well, I was making a bunch of Mother's Day cards in general, and then I'm going to stick to 3 because it has to be one from me, one from her granddaughter, and one from her grandson. So far, I'm loving these 2. I have another one to this. This one I think I'm going to just save for something else, like maybe happy birthday or thank you or something like that. But let's take a closer look at each card. So I made this cute gnome one a while back, and as you can see, that is one of my favorite dies, the Jaded Blossom gnome die. So I made this card actually before I got the girl gnome die, but I kind of like that, still cute. It's the gnome. Yes, I'm playing with my purples and yellows, and it's the gnome die set, this cute guy. So this is just the base starter, the originals that started off the whole line of it, right? He's holding the flowers for Mother's Day. I did the purple yellow, love. And then this is that Spellbinders, and you can only purchase this wonderful die set at Spellbinders, nowhere else. They do have it in stock now, but this is from their kit club from July last year. So if they run out of this, I don't know when they will restock and etc. So if you've been interested in this, it's a slimline, mini slimline set. Comes with the envelope maker, which I said after the video I'm going to go ahead and make the envelope, seeing that it's already here. And then all these layers, the dash dot, and this cute edge. And it just goes in like a nested set. Beautiful, comprehensive set. For my eyes, though, I think I'm going to pull this off and put it towards the back because I can't see what is here. I don't know why I can't see it. Maybe this throws me off. I like to spread my dies out a little bit more. So this is a full comprehensive set. Mini slimline envelope and nested card creator. I will put a link for this because it is still in store. So here I made this card. I layered up purple, white, and then my favorite cardstock, which is now out of stock. This is that Bumblebee dance. And then this now, Happy Mother's Day. Actually not as bad as some of the stuff at Tailored Expression. Tailored Expression can get a little pricey, but this is not bad. This is comes as a cling mounted stamp and the matching word die. Let me give you a measurement on this stamp. Let's say 2 1/4 inch wide by 1 7/8, almost 2 inches tall. Cute, right? Heat emboss this again with that brown ink from Versaclear Pinecone, I believe is the ink. I'll put a link for that ink because it's like, it's not black, but it's close to it. So it just lightens up the card a little bit. Sometimes when you use the black, it just looks so stark. you know, against everything else. I kind of like this brown added to it, chocolate brown. Alrighty, so love this set. Let me put it back. And yes, is she storing it in a scrapbook.com storage envelope? I sure am. This is that, I believe this one is 7 inches wide, 10 inches tall. And they're on sale right now at scrapbook.com. 7 by 10. I think that's called the large size storage envelope. So there's my card and the base of the card. Let me give you a measurement of the base. 3.5 by 6.5. Standard slimline, mini slimline base. Love. And then I did, my glitter is here. Use some diamond dots here. Oh, I was having fun. You can tell I was having fun, right? Love. Next card. Let's talk about this one. I bought this die a while back from Waffle Flower. I haven't done a haul video in a while. I need to do a collective haul because I do have some new stuff that... Time. Waffle Flower layered tulips die. And I decided to play with it. The most easiest floral layering die on the planet has to be this set. Everything is the big tulip with the big top piece. The small tulip with the small topper. I didn't even have to use any Sizzix adhesive sheet. That's how easy this thing came together. All I did was I did cut out some white Bristol smooth cardstock, and then I used my Distress Oxide ink to ink them up. This is saltwater taffy. This is mustard. Can't remember the first part of the name. Sweet mustard, I don't remember. But it is all by Tim Holtz. And then like, I think this is maybe 3 shades of yellow to get the depth, because I needed it to be not so, it has like a little hit here of kind of an orangey color. Yeah. And these leaves, they don't even layer up. They're just one piece, one piece, one piece. Easiest set. If you're like, oh, and you know what I forgot to put in? I forgot to put these in. I need to put those in. I keep forgetting to do this. Yeah, I did. I forgot to put that piece in. I'll do it though for Mother's Day. So we have the tulip set. Super easy, super fun. These are now green inks. I want to say Mowed Lawn and Peel Paint to give you that shade of green. What is doing this little edge is this die from Concord and 9th. Triple step floral frame. It's just this. It's about 1/8 of an inch thick. Layers up good. And then on the inside here, those are my pierced plate, cover plate die. These two in particular. Stitched Vines card front. That's here. And then this one is Sparkling Diamonds. Love. Love, love. So one by PinkFresh Studio, one by Concord and 9th. I am really loving PinkFresh Studio in particular. Their cover plates. You guys have seen this one if you watch some of my recent videos all the way back from Easter. I was playing with this one in particular. This one I played with, but I'm not loving the card. I may show you guys anyway, but not right now. Hearts and Stars, Floral Grid, Sparkling Diamonds. If I had to choose, I'd take this one, Floral Grid, because this is the one I keep reaching for the most. This one would be the third. Number 2, I'd get this one, Sparkling Diamonds. That's just my opinion, but this is the one that I keep on coming back to over and over. Even with the chicken card, that was it. And in terms of the leaves, I have one from Honeybee Stamps, but I'm loving this one from Concord and 9th, the Stitched Vines card front. And they're all A2, 4 1/4 wide, 5.5 inch tall. Cute. And so what I did, I would cut out the panel with the pierced plate, and the pierced plates, all these pierced plates, they don't have an edge except for this one. This one has an edge. So this one will cut out the full square. Everything else, you could like layer them up twice and make a slimline if you wanted, etc. Or use it on a scrapbooking page, you know, just move it over and run it through if you have a machine big enough, or make a panel. I would cut it first with the piercing plate and then put this frame die on top of it. That gave me that like scallop edge, and then put the frame. Super easy. Worked well. Because a frame this thin, normally you would cut it and it'd be like this and you couldn't control it. For some reason, this one controlled well. Like I could put it back in place and it wasn't off. Yeah, love this. Love this. Now, do I have all of this going on in here? No. I may have to get it one of these days. And you get 2 for 1. So when you cut it, this pops out. So I have this piece because I wanted to have these edges in a different color. Cute, 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 cute. And then I also wanted to add to my cards. So I was thinking, I did get this recently from Simon Says Stamp on sale. All About Mom. I think on the inside I may stamp it, but it's kind of big though. Like this, You're a Beautiful Mom. But I may still use it. 1.5 by 2 3/4. I may stamp it on the inside. I was thinking the outside here, but I don't know if it has a coordinating die, but if it does, I don't have it. So, you know, these are nice. Just a little bit big. So I may still stamp it on the inside. To the point, right? These are the to the point sentiment stamps from Simon Says. And lastly, in my mind, I had every intention of making this for Mother's Day. Not done yet. It has been the most horrific week at work. I'm just like, it went like this. It started off like this, and then it took a big dive, and then I started feeling sick, and I was like, is it the work that's making me sick? If you've ever had this experience, please let me know, because I'm like, I think I'm going crazy. So it was just uber stressful, uber over the top, and uber draining. And so I just did not get a chance to do this. So draining that after work yesterday, I went to sleep. That bad. Yeah. Miserable. Ooh. Ooh. And you guys know I usually laugh in my videos, but I was just the whole week just, and then I got super miserable and I was like, I don't want to talk to nobody. Did a little bit of crafting, but I do notice this, and you guys can comment too below. You ever notice that when you're in a really good mood, the crafting goes like, yay. That's really good mood. Then, not so good mood. Oh, yeah. So I've been doing stuff, but I just need to organize and take time out to film it and edit it and show you guys all the goodies. But I did want to hop on with my 2 Mother's Day card, and I have a third one. Maybe I will get a chance to do this one into the wee hours of the night. This one is, I'll tell you the name in a second. And I believe they sell this at Hobby Lobby. So don't be like me. I bought this thing full price. Get it at Hobby Lobby on sale, which I think this coming week, it's on sale. Sizzix, Spellbinders, Momenta, all on sale, 40% off. Tea Time by Sizzix. Love. If you have a Hobby Lobby in your neck of the woods, but if you don't, then it suits you to just buy it online, because the shipping for Hobby Lobby is, you might as well just buy it somewhere else. Alrighty, crafters. So for all the moms who are crafters, I hope you guys have a fantastic Mother's Day. For me, I'll be working tomorrow, so I probably will be nice and miserable while I'm working tomorrow too. Yeah, I know. It just stinks. It really stinks, but I have to work, so, and I can't take the day off, so. Yep. Until the next video, happy Mother's Day to all the crafters. Have a great Mother's Day, all right? Stay crafty, my friends. Bye.